Welcome to Tech Corner. In this video, I'm going to show how to use the divide command. So let's say we want to divide this circle into 16 parts. So we have two ways. The first one, you can use the divide command, which is found under draw. So you can extend the draw panel, then choose this divide, or type div, then select divide. Now select this object that you want to divide, and then enter the number of segments, enter 16, press enter. Now, nothing is uh, showing on our screen. So the subdivision are not clear. So what you do, just type p type. So p type, and then select this, then press OK. Now the subdivisions are very clear here. That's one way. The other way, we draw our circle. Now, draw a radius. And do the polar array of this radius. So on array, select polar. Now let's specify the center here. Go to array, specify this center, and select the number of items as 16. Then close the array. So either way, we have divided our circle into 16 parts. Now we can even have a line. We want to divide this line into, so div, select divide, select this line. The number of segments, let's say we want 8 segments, press enter. Now, these are 8 segments. Thank you, and see you in the next